So welcome to your 3-bedroom Elan townhouse. It's brand new and ready for you to move in immediately. So here is the parking area for 2 cars. This is out of your front door. And as we walk in, you've got here a door that goes into your laundry room there for your washing machines. Okay, and here we have it. So downstairs, you've got the maid's room here. A lot of people use that as a study. We have got Diwa, great. There's your guest toilet and lots of storage here. So that's really handy. And here you have it, here's your kitchen. And your living area. And you've got no one looking in to your garden. So don't forget, this is brand new, so what you want to do is you want to put lots of nice trees up and landscaping, make it really private, but really nice. Let me just show you. Here we have it. So you can see what's out of the back of your garden here. Okay, so that's your garden area. Now we go back in. Here's your living area again, and that's looking out to your garden area there. So here's all of your downstairs living area. So lots of space to do what you want, okay? And then let's just carry on in here. Let's walk upstairs. You can have a look upstairs. So from down here, by the way, when you come down the stairs, you can see your open plan kitchen and living area, and the kitchen has the cooker, oven, the fridge, the hob. So this is the actual property for sale. If you look at the description below, in this video, you'll see all the details, you'll see the size, you'll see the price. And the beauty is that you can buy this property with a mortgage. So for those of you that have been struggling to get a property in Tilal Al Ghaf, because they weren't handed over, now they are. So here are your 2 bedrooms, okay? So you've got storage up here in the cupboards. This is a really nice bedroom. And you've got a large balcony here, looking back into the community here, which is really lovely. And if you just go down here and to the right, you'll have the community swimming pool. You've got the paddle tennis courts as well, the paddle tennis courts. And eventually when it's open, the lagoon and the beach will be over there. These are the beginning of the Harmony Villas here as well, okay? And this also goes into the other bedroom, this balcony. So let's just check this out. So here's the other bedroom here, okay? There you have it, and more cupboards. So all the cupboards are built in, and these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom with a bath, okay? And then upstairs you've also got an additional storage cupboard, which is always handy. And then this is your master bedroom, okay? Here's your master bedroom. Again, you have to be creative with your landscaping, but at least no one's looking at you. So it's not back to back, which is nice. And then here is your bathroom. The master bathroom has a nice large walk-in shower, okay? And you've got a little balcony up here as well, and then you can sit and look out here. So if you want more details on this property, look at the description below, as I said, and get in touch with me. And I don't just sell Tilal Al Ghaf, I sell other projects, other properties all over the community. So really look forward to meeting you. I can also help you if you want like information on payments and financing, how that can help as well. So take care, thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, and I hope this was of value once more. Take care, bye-bye.